This kind of tomato is a round tomato. Can be used for passata as well, for concentrates. But basically the structure, everything is very crunchy, is very good for chopped.
So I've been to Italy before, but first time I've come here with work in the fields, and I look around this place. It is just a beautiful part of the world. And you come here and you see the scale and the industry that is here. It's absolutely awesome.
As you can see, brilliant red tomato. To become like this, it should be protected during the cycle by a good amount of green leaf, because otherwise, if it's too much exposed to the sun, lycopene is not produced, and the berry remains yellow or green-yellow on the top.
La raccolta del pomodoro è una festa, principalmente, è una vacanza, quindi se tutto è organizzato e tutte le persone riescono ad andare nella solita rotta, ci divertiamo tutti, dal primo all'ultimo, dal ragazzo che va in campagna a chi organizza i trasporti, a chi fa le vendite. Quindi bisogna goderselo dalla mattina quando ci svegliamo alle 6 alla sera che andiamo a casa. Quindi anche la notte sogno pomodoro, però sono contento di questo.
So what we are able to do is be the retailers' eyes and ears in Italy, which I believe should give them more certainty as to the quality and reliability and safety of the products that they import and offer on their fixture than any other agent, broker or middleman could ever possibly do.
Back home, we buy tomatoes pretty much every week for the family. We will always have a bolognese or a chili, and tomatoes are just a core product to make our food. And I pay, what, 50p, 75p a pound for these tomatoes, and I don't give it a second thought as to where they come from or how they get there. And then you come and see this, and you see the industry, the work, the knowledge, the expertise, the history in this area. It's mind-boggling for what is such a simple product, all the work that goes into it. And so it's been an absolute pleasure to come here and see this. And I'll think a little bit more next time I buy a tin of tomatoes.